All right, quickly in this video I'll be showing you update. I'm giving you update about tomato airdrop, and I'm telling you the listing date, and a couple of things I'll be showing you in this video. I'll be showing you how to play the game. So if you are yet to join this Tomarket Airdrop, then this is the right opportunity for you to join now. This is the opportunity for anyone to join now, especially if you have not joined before, because we have only 10 days to go. So let me quickly take you through how to play the game and how to make the most from this airdrop. And this is one of the promising airdrop I think that we really do well. After the success of Notcoin, there are a couple of airdrop that like dog, so many of them, and some really did well and why some did nothing at all. But it is what it is. That's how anything airdrop does, it is. But I believe the market will surely give us more joy, like joy is coming. Yes, ensure you watch this video to the very end, because I'll be revealing some important keynote that you need to know about this airdrop exactly, that will really help you to make more money or to make more points from this airdrop. So ensure you watch this video to the very end, and also subscribe to this channel, follow for more videos like this and more videos on how to make money in general. So as you can see from here that October 31st is the listing date. The snapshot was completed on 2nd September 2020. This is the fourth snapshot, so another one is still coming up. It said your rank in the system is not set based on that snapshot, and your level will determine your airdrop amount. Your previous star has been used to level up. So this is particularly for new users, because this is a new account I'm just using to create this video. So just click on view my level. So just to view my level, can you see now presently I'm in level so I need more stars here to level up. So how do I get more stars? Click on get more. You'll be able to reach how to get more. I said your stars are awarded based on your participation in the 6 activities: drop game results, daily checking. So they have daily checking that every day when you log in every day you have some tomato points to get. So we have tomato farming frequency, daily mastery code, task completion. It said next snapshot and TG is October, so keep expecting the activities where we keep activating your stars and reward. So say play the game. So quickly go to this play the game. So for every time you click on this, so you have 7 attempts, more 7 attempts. I think it's increased depending on time, so it increased after today, so it may be 14, just like depending on your activities. So you have now I have 7 attempts to play the game. So let me quickly show you how to play the game. So I need you to quickly see. It's just a swap thing, just to swap it like this and wait. So when you click on this whitish thing, it will make the video to pause, and so that you'll be able to click some tomato. And I will need to show you something important here, because there is something you must not click on. So I will show you right now. So just wait. So like you see this thing black, you must not click on it. So you see, as I click on it, it removes minus 100 points. So as I click on it, we remove minus 100 points. But if you don't click on it, then you are good to go. So that is what you have to avoid, and you have to be very fast when doing this. So you have 7 attempts. So after this, I'll be having like few more attempts more. I missed that whitish thing. So okay. So now yes, congratulations, bounty for. So now I have more 263 points. So I have 6 more attempts. So I have to play this 0. The big tomato mostly, because the big tomato will give you more points than the smaller tomatoes. So I think that's my number one secret. I have 5 more attempts, but I will not play all. Let me just play this, because I want to show you. Can you see, as I click on small tomato, it can give me +1, +2, +3, but the bigger tomato will see +3. So let's leave this part, and okay, yes, click on this harvest too. You have to click on this and earn some 1080 points. After 180 minutes, you have to come back and do this. So I have 4 more attempts, but I will not be doing this right in this video, just to show you a couple of things. So I want to show you how to make more money from this app. So quickly click on this. Remember, I tell you should watch this video today. So click on spin. You have maximum 3 spin to do every day, and for free. I think this one also gives some free spin too. Let's already play this before. So but you just have to click on this too, and you can buy. Yes, you can buy start to have more opportunity on this stuff, but I really don't encourage anyone to buy start, because airdrop are free money. So if you can't risk it, it's very risky. So if you can't risk the money, please don't bother to pay for anything while doing this. Just play the giveaway game and you are good to go. But if you feel like you can risk, you have money, you can risk to it. So but for newbie, I will not really advise that at all. So let's quickly go back to the next thing. So watch out for 31st of this month that this another snapshot will be taken, and make sure you have leveled up more, especially you are just starting right now. So okay, I told you earlier that you find the link below this video. So you also have daily combo. So you have daily combo. You have to watch their video before you can get that. Just click on it. There's a video right below the page. Then you have to click on it and watch. So you get from the video, you get the hint of the daily combo that you have to choose. So when you choose correctly, you will be awarded with some tomato point as well. So all these things that you are seeing here is just a point, but later on will be converted to the token. Exactly, depending on their location and how they distribute their points. So he said so when you click it to take you to YouTube, this daily come correctly, now I'll be having like 20,000 more tomato and 1 star and 1 love. So that's how it is. That's how it is. Bonus tax. So this bonus tax too is very important. So you can just click on it and play the game, and just to start it and let it go, then you earn 1,200 tomatoes. So I don't want this video to be very long, so let's come here to tax to show you another way to come in some good point from this airdrop. So can you see said add tomato emoji to your Telegram note? So I've done that and I've already confirmed it. So I've also done this. So all this tax is also, you have to do it after you click on start. It will bring claim. So if you don't claim is yet, it will not add to your point until you click on claim, then it will add to your point. So another way you can make money, like you can really earn more points from this airdrop, is by inviting your friends. So you can still share. So currently I have no invitees, so invite a friend. You will both get 1,000 tomato points and 1 star or 1 star 1 love, something like that. So invite friend with Telegram Premium. So when you invite friend with Telegram Premium, instead of getting 2,000 you get 20,000 tomato. So that I think that is huge, and 5 love stars too as well. I said additional intensive, get 10% of your friends each in reward. So that's really super amazing. I think you can still get started now and make something, at least something from this. I think $20 or $10 or even $50 to $100 is still something for anyone, especially if you're in Nigeria with this time of our economy. So just click on copy. I think and another opportunity is that you have 2x invite bonus. So when you invite people now, you get double of what you should earn earlier. So can you see the TGE date is very near? So he said check your airdrop. So can you see they are already putting it out that you check your. Well, this is very important thing that you must know. This is very important thing that you must know, that you have to connect BitGet wallet to this. So you download BitGet wallet from maybe Apple Store or Play Store, then you click on here. It's very important. And another thing that you have to do is just complete the task. The page said download and connect your BitGet wallet. And another thing is that you have to fund the wallet with a couple of say go to Play Store. You can download from APK, you can download from Play Store. So let me click on download from Play Store. I think I have download that already. So let me just click on open. Let me just click on open, but I think I've not set it up. So let me see if I still have time to do that on this video or 11. You just click on allow and create a new account. But if you have another account before that you want to import, you can as well import. But here I'll be creating a new account. Just click on agree and just put the password. So it's really verifying when you say okay. So it's already creating the Telegram wallet for me, the BitGet wallet rather. It's already creating the BitGet wallet for me. So you quickly said your wallet is ready. So we are good to go. Wallet successfully created. So that's awesome. Well, that's awesome. Also quickly, you have to don't forget to come here later to back up your wallet. So when you click on backup, you have some key phrase or something like that to write down, and make sure you write it on paper and you're good to go. So okay, let's quickly go back and to connect BitGet to already downloaded. So I need to click on connect wallet now to connect it. So just click on connect wallet. It just allow it to load and to take you to the right place and connect. Can you see? Just click on approve. Well, just click on return to the website. So can you check back and can you see now it has automatically connect. So my turn wallet address has automatically connect from BitGet. So I think another thing that is very important is that for this BitGet wallet, you have to have a bit like a minimum of $1 on this account. Now if you check here now, you see this is the $0. This is $0 here because I don't have any funds here, but you have at least $1 worth of ton. Let's check ton from this side now. You see what ton is. So the price of ton presently. So the price of ton presently is like just one one ton percentage is $5.3, as you can see, 0.3. So just need $1 of this to be qualified. Is one of the criteria of the airdrop. So I think that's very, very important. Don't miss this opportunity. That's all about this video. Don't forget to share this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share this video and follow me for more update on airdrops and other means of making money online on the internet. So bye for now and see you in the next video. I promise I'll be ready to make some research and be giving you legit update on this airdrop and other stuff that will help you to make money online. So follow me, like this video and share this video to others. Bye for now. See you in the next video.